When preparing crustaceans such as shrimp, a lot of cooks tend to throw away the heads and shells. And this is a huge mistake because the heads and shells have some of the most flavor. There are many different ways to use the heads and shells, but one of the best ways is to make crustacean oil. So today we have some beautiful shrimp to work with, but you can use the same technique with any other crustacean. Lobsters, crabs, langoustines, prawns, crayfish are all excellent options. So we're going to start by cleaning the shrimp. We're going to remove the vein. I'm going to put the heads and shells in one container, and in the other container I'm going to keep the shrimp for another recipe. You also want to make sure that everything is very clean. If there's any dirt or sand, any other debris, this could potentially change the flavor. So once we've cleaned our shrimp and we have our heads and shells ready, we're going to roast them in the oven, and this will create almost a bisque-like aroma. And then we're going to capture that aroma and flavor in an oil. So once we're done cleaning our shrimp, we're going to put them aside and use them for another recipe. And the tray of heads and shells we're going to put right in the oven, just like this. We're going to put it in at the hottest setting, and they should be ready in about 5 to 10 minutes. So this already smells amazing. So once they're all nicely roasted with some color like this, we're going to transfer them into a small pot, and we're going to cover them with neutral oil. This could not be more simple. The only thing that can go wrong with this recipe is if you don't color the heads and shells enough. If the shells aren't colored enough, you'll get more of a fishy flavor, rather than a roasted bisque-like flavor like we're looking for. So once we've covered the heads and shells in oil, we're going to put the hot on low heat for about 20-30 minutes. The oil shouldn't be hot, it should be warm, and that should be enough to infuse the oil. Be careful if the oil gets too hot, it will become cloudy, and it's much more aesthetically pleasing when it's transparent like this. So once the oil has been infused, we're going to strain it, and the result is a beautiful prawn oil packed with flavor, beautiful color. You can use this oil on its own, you can add it to other sauces or other dishes. Just a beautiful roasted shrimp flavor. Crustacean oil couldn't be easier to make, and it's absolutely delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see further recipes and techniques, please like and subscribe. Also, if you enjoy our content, consider supporting us on Patreon. The link is below. Happy cooking!